Oh, do you do? Yeah, no. Huyo hapo.
Kila sport kutokea archery mpaka zote zile za kucheza judo, badminton, wote tuwapatie, ndio kila mchezaji aone kwamba zile zimetoka kwa partners wetu wa Nike zimeletwa kwa wachezaji wote.
The team leaves for Morocco in 3 batches. The first batch will leave on 13th. That is actually tomorrow night at midnight. The second batch will leave on 17th. And then finally the last lot of about 76 made of Athletics Kenya, or rather the athletes, the track and field athletes, will leave on the 23rd.